It took us about 30 minutes trekking in the bush before we could access the farmland from the main road. The cannabis farm is located at Agbongbon village in Irewole local government area of OSUN state. Here, cannabis is cultivated in large quantity and the farmers work with syndicates, including distributors and transporters. Some arrests have been made.
They arrest me with EGIM, 7 bag of EGIM. And when they arrest me, I don't lie. I say the truth. I think I mean get the EGIM. So from there, they take me to Aida police station at Ikire. I spent 7 days there before they take me day before yesterday. So they take me yesterday, day for yesterday. That is when I wait I see with that.
After the first day of the destruction of some portions of the farm, some of the cannabis farmers again mobilized and harvested the ones already sprayed with herbicide, not minding the danger it portends to potential consumers. On the second day, additional 40 youth volunteers joined the police to carry out the task of destroying the vast farm. The OSUN State Police Command says the war against cannabis is total.
The cannabis destroyed were not meant absolutely for OSUN State, for the consumption of people. So, because cannabis in such quantity, large quantity, you expect that there will also be the dealers will also be taking them out of the state. So what we have done will not only impact positively on OSUN State, but even on other states. I'm aware that some of them are also involved in even exporting cannabis to some neighboring countries. So it's going to have a lot of positive impact on OSUN and other states. We have sent the right signal to them that they should not indulge in the cultivation of such things that are injurious to the people. Just because you want to make money does not mean you should go ahead destroying the lives of other people. And you know that is what they do. They make money, they want to make money at the expense of other people. Not only at the expense of other people, but at the expense of the society at large.
Fair enough, you remove this thing, you remove at least probably, let's say, 1/3 of the criminal activities, because virtually armed robbers, cultism, or cultists, armed robbers, kidnappers, they all use this. So at least this market is a bad one this year. It's a bad market. So definitely it will have a negative effect on them. But then to me, it's positive because at least I've reduced the amount that will go to the market. So it's a step ahead towards reducing crime.
Irewole and Ishokan local government areas have been identified as the major hub of cannabis cultivation and wholesale distribution in OSUN State. At least 2 of the farmers have been arrested, and the OSUN State Police Command says it is on the trail of others in order to rid the state of the virtues of cannabis cultivation, distribution, and smoking. Ibrahim Alige, TVC News, OSUN State.